Hey y'all, this is my DIY jean jacket makeover. I took a plain blue jean jacket and I turned it into this, something spectacular.
I don't know if you can see it or not, but I just added the dish detergent, and now I'm about to add a cup of salt to the 3 gallons of water. Now I'm just going to put my gloves on before I pour the dye into the bucket and put the jean jacket in there. Next, I'm just going to pour the dye into the water and the mixture. I'm going to be using the entire bottle because I believe my jacket is around 2 pounds. Next, I'm going to stir the dye in with the mixture and the water.
Brush my teeth in the morning, I filter out the bed and keep what's good, so you might see me chilling round your neck of the woods. We are parts of the body and I'm the liver, the quiver that's...
Next, I'm just going to place the jacket into the dye mixture. Hopefully it comes out like I think it's going to come out. Okay, so I've been stirring this jacket in the mixture for about 15 minutes now, and I'm just going to lift it out a little so you can see how it looks so far. But it looks great. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be this black, but the real test is going to be when we have to rinse it out, but I still think it looks great.
Okay, so then I hung it out on the line to let it dry, and now...
So next, I'm just going to use the iron. Since these are iron-on patches, I'm going to use the iron, and I'm going to iron the patch onto the back until it sticks. And also, as an additional bonus, I'm going to be stitching or sewing the patches onto the jacket as an extra form of security, because I don't want my patches to fall off. So just in case, I'm just going to take the extra precaution, the extra step, and do that.
So here's how the patches turned out, and next I'm going to use some acrylic paint, and I'm going to be painting the spikes that are going to go on the clothing. So I separated my spikes into groups, and this is the way that I want them to appear on the shoulders. And I also painted the chain, so I had red, yellow, and green paint. I broke the chain up into smaller segments, and I put everything on the jacket like I designed it. And this is me just modeling it, and I wasn't satisfied, so I went back and put my stage name on the back, and I put Lion of Judah on the back as well, and I put Zion on one sleeve and Psalm 145:3, which is one of my favorite verses, on the other sleeve. And this is just me modeling the jacket. But this is how it turned out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, hit the like button, that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.
I turn it out like a trap house, trapped out. Everywhere I go, we maxed out. Credit cards on the map, boom, bap out.